Hey guys, welcome back. Going to the webcam. Drew a little line here so we'll know that we're working with this one now. And what we're going to do is be converting these mixed numbers into fractions. So the first number we're going to look at is 1. We also know that we're going to be doing it in thirds because I have the fractional 1/3. And in order to add them, I have to keep like terms. So 1 is equal to how many thirds? How many thirds does it take to make 1? Excellent. Way to go, scholars. Yeah, 3. So now that I have 3 thirds, I can now take that 3 thirds plus that 1/3, and that gives me the side here, the length of, excellent, yes, 4 thirds. So this is 4 thirds inches. So this is congruent to this. 1 1/3 is equal to 4 thirds. So we got that now. Now let's look at this right here. All right. Let's go ahead and look at 3 3/4. Now I know that I have to get 3 3/4. So it's going to have to be in fourths. So what times 3 gives 4 times 3 gives me what? Excellent, yes. 4 times 3 gives me 12. So 12/4, when I divide 12 by 4, it gives me 3. So now that I have this fraction here, I can add the 3/4 to it, which is 12/4 plus 3/4, which gives me, excellent, yes, 15/4. So now I have this in fractions. And the reason I was doing this is to see, hey, which way is simpler? So now let's take 4 thirds times 15/4. That equals, pausing the video here. Excellent, yes, 60/12, which lets me know that 60 can be divided by 12. That will give me 5 inches squared. And for those who like math quite a bit, I could have gotten to that answer a little bit quicker by knowing that I can reduce these down to 1 and 1, reduce that to 5. This becomes 1. So 1 times 5 equals 5 over 1, and 5 over 1 equals 5. All that becomes mental math as you become faster and quicker with your multiplication facts. This is going to become very easy for you to look at. Just like when you say, oh, 60/12, that gives me 5. It's going to become faster as you practice it. Excellent job, guys. This is my modeling. Now we're going to go back to the slide. In the slide, I'm going to show you exactly what we did. We converted the mixed numbers to fractions. So I took 1 equals 3/3. That 3/3, I then added 1/3, which gave me 4/3. So this side becomes 4/3. Then I knew that to get 3, I had to take 4 and multiply it times 3, so I could get 12/4. I then took the 12/4 and added the 3/4, which gives me 15/4. Then I was able to multiply the fractions to find the area, or give me the product, which is 4/3 times 15/4, which is 4 times 15 equals 60. 3 times 4 equals 12. And then 60 divided by 5 gives me 5 inches squared. Now that is the same answer as the one before. If you notice here in the area, and this here. These are both the same answers. Now, one might be easier for you than the other. I was just showing you how you could do this on your own, all right, and do it two different ways. Guys, we've been going into your classwork on this here, and you're going to have 10 minutes. There are 2 questions on your quiz. Make sure you answer them. Once again, you have 10 minutes. If you do finish early, please let your teacher know so that you can go ahead and go to the next slide. Pausing in 3, 2, 1.